Hello everyone and welcome back to Youngcrafts Academy. Today we will learn dictionaries. So dictionary helps us store information in key and values here. Okay, so very useful and very smart. So let's start. Let me share my screen. Okay, go. ल So पहिला what is dictionary? Dictionary भनेको चाहिँ के हो? Okay. So a dictionary stores data as a key value. Okay. So रियल लाइफ एक्जाम्पल हेर्नु पर्यो भने डिक्सनरी जस्तै डिक्सनरीमा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि डिक्सनरी बुकमा वर्ड हुन्छ त्यसको मिनिङ हुन्छ त्यस्तै गरी हुन्छ कि पाइथनमा डिक्सनरीमा के हुन्छ हाम्रो त्यसको भ्यालु हुन्छ लाइक नेम भयो राम एज भयो 10 सेम थिङ इन पाइथन एज वेल ओके so first of all how we are going to create a dictionary is like this student so we are going to provide a student so using the curly braces okay so we are going to provide a name like this so inside the double quotes okay don't forget to put double quote and if you are going to add multiple values okay like this don't forget to put a comma as well okay 10 like this okay now class 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 okay cost to class how much is 5 okay yes so we have created so now we are going to print student print what's the name student student okay like this we are going to create a dictionary so inside the dictionary what is the this is a variable so students stored the same name key is name value is ram key is age value is 10 key is class value is 5 so we have printed the student okay so print 5 run module okay so what's the name ram is 10 class 5 okay so like this what we are going to do is we are going to create a dictionary like this so what's the called dictionary brackets so this called brackets is dictionary brackets okay so name is a key ram is a value already told you so this colon is connects key and value okay so this colon will help us to connect this key or as well as value also so python prints all data together okay so how we are going to access the values using the key so how we are going to use so simply what we are going to do is instead of writing this print so what I'm going to do is print student okay student we have so how we are going to target the name so only I'm going to target the name so I'm going to close this as well okay so like this using this as a so run module and okay so how so in name what we are given is ram right so in this way we can access the so we use key not index okay so remember we use key but not index like 01 we are not going to use this okay changing a value how we are going to change the value like if ram is in right now is in class 10 now tomorrow from tomorrow he is going from to class so sorry he's going to have a age of 11 okay so what we're going to do is simply we are going to remove all this okay so simply what we're going to student I'm going to target is age like this I'm going to close it so equals to 11 from tomorrow is going to be 11 years of old print now I'm going to print a student okay like this so how let me run it first okay so look so what's the his name ram age 11 class 5 so it's get so यो एज चाहिँ हाम्रो अपडेट भयो ओके सो एज विल बी नाउ 11 okay like this you can update you can change the value as well using dictionary values are changeable so understand that adding new key and value okay how we are going to do it so simply what we are going to do is student okay no so it will be here so I am just going to remove this only so I'm going to put student how we are going to add this okay so inside the same variable student okay so I'm going to target this is city I'm going to create a new so equals to so he's living in Kathmandu right now so Kathmandu okay like this so now it will run it will name age class city also look name also look name age class city Kathmandu city also added okay like this you can add the dictionaries okay add a information into this so removing a key how we are going to remove it so I want to remove class so how I'm going to remove is like so simply here deal is like deleting the students from okay so class 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 okay like this so simply so what will a key also remove value will also be removed okay if I run okay so look Ram, sorry, name Ram, age 10, and city Kathmandu, class 5 got removed. Like this, you can go in, you will have to get a remove. So removing a key is like this. Okay, so remember, dictionary uses curly braces. Okay, so like this, data is in key value. Okay, key value, access using key name only, not using the index value. Okay, easy to add, change, and remove, right? So we have already seen how to add, how to change, and how to remove. Okay, from the list. So in next video we are going to learn about function. So thank you so much everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.